Is MyPoints legit, or is it another rewards website that promises easy money but isn't worth your time? In this video, we're going to look at how MyPoints works, how you can earn, how you get paid, and whether it's actually worth trying in 2026. MyPoints is a legitimate rewards platform that has been around since 1996. The basic idea is simple. You complete different activities through the platform and receive points that can later be exchanged for rewards. You can earn points by taking surveys, shopping online, completing offers, playing games, watching certain content, searching the web, and referring friends. The biggest opportunity for many users is surveys. You can go to the survey section, look at the available studies, and choose the ones you want to complete. You'll usually see information about the survey before starting, but you won't necessarily qualify for everyone. You can also earn through online shopping. MyPoints works with different retailers, so you can start your shopping trip through the platform and earn points when your purchase qualifies. However, tracking is extremely important. MyPoints explains that if tracking is blocked by privacy settings, ad blockers, VPNs, competing shopping extensions, or other factors, your purchase may not receive points. So always follow the instructions for each offer or shopping promotion. Now let's talk about the rewards. Your points can be exchanged for different gift cards and other reward options. MyPoints also offers PayPal rewards, although your MyPoints name and email need to match your PayPal account, and your PayPal account must be verified. According to MyPoints, PayPal transfers can take up to 5 business days. Gift cards are generally sent by email and can take up to several business days to arrive. So, yes, there is a real redemption system behind the points. But there are some things you should know before using the platform. First, MyPoints is not a guaranteed income source. The amount you can earn depends on the surveys, offers, shopping opportunities, and promotions available to your account. Some days you'll have plenty of options. Other days there may not be much available. You should also pay attention to pending points. Not every point becomes available immediately. For example, shopping rewards can take time to become redeemable because the merchant has to confirm the purchase. Another thing that some users may encounter is identity verification. MyPoints can occasionally ask members to verify their identity to protect the platform against fraud and unauthorized activity. This may involve providing a government-issued ID and a selfie through its verification partner. That doesn't automatically mean something is wrong with your account. It's part of the platform's stated security process. So, how much money can you actually make? That's going to depend heavily on your location, profile, and how much time you spend using the platform. I would not consider MyPoints a replacement for a job. It's better viewed as a way to earn some extra rewards from activities you might already be doing online. And that's especially important with shopping. Don't spend money you wouldn't normally spend just because you're earning points. If you're buying something you already needed, getting additional rewards can make more sense. But buying unnecessary products just to earn points defeats the purpose. So, is MyPoints legit or a scam? My verdict is legit. MyPoints is an established rewards platform. It has been operating for decades, and it provides real ways to redeem points for rewards. However, it's not a get-rich-quick website. Your results will depend on the opportunities available to you, and some rewards may take time to become available. If you want to try it, create your account for free, complete your profile honestly, read the requirements for each offer, and keep track of your points before completing bigger activities. Overall, MyPoints can be worth trying if you're looking for a legitimate way to earn extra rewards online, as long as you keep your expectations realistic. And that's the verdict. MyPoints is legit in 2026, but think of it as a side rewards platform, not a guaranteed source of income.